Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Word 2016 video lesson series. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about how you can insert various kind of graphics in your Word document. To add any kind of thing in your Word document, this insert menu can be used. Using this insert menu, you can insert many kind of things which we will be learning in further tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to insert pictures and online pictures. So I want to add Mahatma Gandhi's picture in this particular document. So to insert document from your PC, by clicking onto this option, it will tell you to select particular file which you want to insert. So I am selecting this Mahatma Gandhi photo from my PC and click on this insert button. It will upload to the Microsoft server and it will insert it to your document. So as you can see, the picture is inserted into my document. You can also resize picture by these resize buttons or resize points. Make it large or make it small as per your need and as per your document format. If you want to style this picture, then right click on it and select this style option. You can give shadows, frames and cuts to your image. For example, I want to apply this shadow. So as you can see, it is applied, but it's not looking good, so I'm changing it to this frame. So this one is also applied, but still it's not looking good, so I'm just selecting this frame. Perfect, it's looking good. So using this you can style your picture. If you want to increase or decrease size of your image, you can also do using these grow and shrink buttons or shrink options. But this is the best option to increase and decrease size of your picture. It is really easy. So this is about inserting pictures from your computer. Now what if you want to insert pictures from online? To insert pictures from online, click on to these online pictures and it will open up one window. Now these are the some pictures which is suggested by Microsoft. So if you find anything useful for your document, then you can do this and select particular image. It has various categories like education, birthdays, love, food, people, animals and many other categories. Or you can search it on internet, like I will search just Mahatma Gandhi and select the picture you want to insert in your document. So I am selecting this black and white photo and click on to that photo and click on to this insert button. So as you can see, picture is inserted in your document. So it is very easy to insert picture or any graphic into your document. So this is about inserting graphics in Microsoft Word document. Thank you very much.